Now, my dear friends, so what is the role of accounting? Role accounting for the good managers is to plan for the future. They also develop a budget, and the budget is a formal plan which is stated in monetary terms. The role of accounting basically to plan the future, how we can grow in future. That's the accounting part, for developing budgets. It also helps the bigger countries to plan very well as far as the budget is concerned. And the budget is a formal plan which is actually stated in terms of monetary values. So my dear friends, all the monetary values being stated in the budget, and that is the biggest role of accounting part. And accounting helps the bank to decide to whom to lend money, because the balance sheets are there. Balance sheet shows their sales, purchases, net profits, their liabilities, their assets, everything part. And if you apply some good formulas, that for example, 1/5 part of sales, we are going to give you loan. So this is the primary condition, for example, for any bank manager as far as the loan procedure is considered. Second, accounting also provides information to help investors to pick the stocks. Always the stock people who are working on share market, they want their share price to grow high. So how it can be possible? It is possible just because of what's going on in the market is that they look at the balance sheets. If the company is found to be healthy, they are going to pick up the stocks and they will start investing in it. So this is accounting that is going to help them. So the role of accounting is basically budgeting, information system design, as well as cost accounting and internal auditing. These are the roles of accounting actually, which are there in each and every company, and they really play a very vital role in shaping of the company and taking the company to the ladder of huge success. So this is the roles of accounting. Even another part is of consulting also, because many of the firms they refer CAs, chartered accountants, for consulting whether what we should do, whether basically I have seen many of the banks consulting whether we can go for merger of another bank or not, or whether we can rule out the policy of amalgamation, or whether we need to wind up the company, and all this consulting process is done with the help of CA. As far as the consulting is also related to the taxation issues, many people do conduct help take the advice from the CA that how we can save tax. Even the assurance services, including auditing purposes, assurance services including auditing, many of the audits are being done. You might have seen the CAG audit. Audits are done in order to find out the queries and how the misinterpretation is done in the statements, and different wrong figures have been stated in the balance sheets in order to diverge the funds and make wrong use of funds. Tax accounting is also there as far as the VAT, service tax, and sale tax are considered. So the taxation is also there. This is also a part of basically the rule of accounting. And accounting is actually helpful in decision making also. It can make owners want to know whether the employees are productive or not. So you can plan the product, you can prepare the sheets in a productive manner of which employee is taking how much output. And investors also want to know whether the company is good in investment or not. The legislator want to know the proposed law will affect the budgets or not. So these legislators or the lawmakers also decide whether if you are coming with the new company policy or new companies act, then whether this is going to increase the revenue or to the government or to the company or not. Or the managers need to know whether the new product will be profitable or not. So how much profitability it will be as far as the sales forecast is considered before launching a product. So accounting is going to help them. And the creditors want to know if they should get credit, how much to extend and how much long. For example, if suppliers are giving credit for around about say 15 days now, then can we expand it to 30 days, or can we expand to 45 days? How we can work up? So the accounting can help them in decision making. We'll see the abrasive accounting practices in the near future. Thank you. Stay tuned.